Welcome to today's tutorial, where we'll explore Telegram's latest update and learn how to organize your channels efficiently using folders on your PC. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by a cluttered chat list, this feature is a game changer for streamlining your workflow. Let's dive into the simple steps to add channels to a folder in just moments. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once logged in, locate your existing chat folders on the left-hand side of the screen. These appear as tabs just above your conversation list. Find the specific folder you'd like to modify, then right-click on its name. A context menu will pop up. Select Edit Folder from the options. This opens the folder's customization panel. Here, you'll see options to rename the folder, adjust its icon, or modify its contents. To add channels, click the Add Chats button near the bottom of the window. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to browse all your chats and channels. Since we're focusing on channels today, scroll through the list or use the search bar to quickly locate the ones you want to include. Telegram's interface lets you select multiple channels at once. Click the checkbox beside each channel you'd like to add to the folder. If you've already organized channels into categories like news, hobbies, or work, this step becomes even easier. Once you've made your selections, click Save to confirm. Back in the folder settings, double-check your changes. You'll notice the added channels now appear under the Included Chats section. If everything looks correct, hit Save one final time to apply the updates. Your folder will instantly refresh, displaying the newly added channels alongside any existing conversations. To test the setup, click on the folder's name in the left-hand menu. You should see your selected channels neatly grouped together, making them faster to access. This organizational trick is perfect for power users who follow dozens of channels but want to avoid endless scrolling. Remember, folders aren't just for channels. You can mix and match chats, groups, and bots to create custom categories tailored to your needs. Experiment with different combinations to find a structure that suits your daily routine. That's all for this guide. By mastering Telegram's folder system, you're not just tidying up your app, you're reclaiming time and focus. If this tutorial helps simplify your messaging experience, consider sharing it with friends who might benefit. Until next time, stay organized and make technology work for you.